That 20-second short form video that you saw this morning, well, that took longer to make than you think. And most people don't show you that, but I'm gonna. This series is one video every weekday in July, each video around 6 minutes in length. Also, every week is gonna follow the same pattern for a different short form video. Monday, the idea. Tuesday, the planning. Wednesday, the filming. Thursday, the edit. And Friday, reflect and analyze. 4 weeks, 4 videos, the whole messy middle and nothing hidden. And what video did I choose to make for week 1? England versus Mexico. Last 16 of the World Cup, 1 a.m. kickoff. So this is day 1, the idea. So let's play around with some ideas of what this video could be. Let's go. Okay, so the idea, England versus Mexico. Some of the facts of the idea are really important that we need to make sure that we put down. We need to make sure that we put down that it's 1 a.m. We need to put down that it is win or lose. We don't know what's going to happen. Because of this kind of like pubs are open until 5 a.m. Who am I going with? Who's the audience? Who's this for? How does it relate to me? This is because it's a knock out. Okay. What in my plan? What don't I want to do? Okay, so then we're going to go on here. So the audience. So I do have an audience. So I do create, well, it's basically like over here, then the nation is going to be invested. And they're going to be awake late. Who? So I'm either going to, because it's late, I'm either going to watch it alone. Family, family and friends. I don't think I'll do it. What will happen if we win? This is going to be like miserable because it's not plus work, and this is going to be it's worth it. People be out and about minimum, so even though it's 3 a.m. it's going to go to a minimum of 3 a.m. It could go to 5 a.m. What is my plan? So I'm going to either watch it, be at home, I'll be with at my brother's or in a pub. What don't I want to do? I don't want to do a commentary video, not highlights. I don't want to make it about some more like a vlog to relate to me. Well, okay, so what about if we win? Who's next and when? And I think that's on Saturday. So this video will still be kind of in time. I don't want to do like challenge. And then all of this will feed into the plan and the shot list. and we'll put and piece together a list of all the things that we want to happen within the video from this quick idea of what's going on that day. Work. This is the initial ideas that I've had, what to consider, what to think about, the kind of who's going to be in it, what you need or what's going to be about, the how you kind of put it together. And then in the next phase, day 2, we're going to look about the plan. So in the plan, we're going to look at shot lists. We're going to look at things that we're going to make sure we need to have. We're going to write down a little order, and then obviously we move on to filming after that. So that's the plan. If you want to follow along and see how this series evolves, then make sure you are subscribed. I'm Ray from Simply Create. Until the next one, peace.